Welcome back to another simple tutorial. Everyone Google has released their Gemini AI application for iOS, and I'm going to show you how you can get it on iPhone with just a couple of simple steps. Google Gemini is Google's next-gen AI assistant blending conversational intelligence and advanced generative AI to help you with tasks, answer questions, and provide more in-depth and accurate information than traditional assistants. The first step in this tutorial is to open the App Store on your iPhone, and then we'll go over to our search bar, and I'm going to type Gemin or Google Gemini, and then you'll want to find an application that has this logo, and that looks like this. I'll make sure to leave the app link in the description of this video so you can open the correct one. So go and click on the link in the description of this video if you can't find the app for some reason. So just download this app as you would any other application. This app is free, so you can just tap on Get and then wait for the application to download and install onto your iPhone. My app is installed, so I'll just open it. And the interface is going to look something like this, and you can log in with your Google account. So select the Google account which you want to connect and use with this Gemini application, and let's tap on this Use Gemini, because I don't want to receive any emails and other things. So after all of these steps, you can start asking Google Gemini questions and other things which you want to use it for. So it can answer simple and complex questions, it can write scripts, stories, it can do coding, and you can ask it about programming and many other things. So tell me in the comments down below what you like about Google Gemini the most, and tell me what your favorite AI program is. And maybe I'll make some videos about it if this video helped you out and you would like more similar videos. Make sure you subscribe to AppWiz, and I'll see you in the next one.